I have 3 budget-friendly recommendations of great gear to get you started. Hi, I'm Wheezy, and I help people just like you get started on your video journey. I'm a video producer, so that means I pretty much know what needs to go into that project for every video need. And I'm here to help guide you through your journey. So join me today as I give you 3 recommendations of gear, very budget friendly gear to get you started. So the first thing we're going to start with is, of course, your cell phone, your little old cell phone. I cannot speak enough about the high quality video that you can get out of your cell phone these days. Do you know that a lot of people who are doing marketing for their social media accounts? Yes, they are using their cell phones in which to record their videos, to make their social media videos. Yes, they are using their cell phones. There are even some movies that are being produced these days by the use of the cell phone. The quality has come up so high and clear that sometimes I'd rather use my cell phone versus my video camera because then I don't have to worry about lighting and different things like that. But I digress. We're going to move on and we're going to hop right into these 3 suggestions that I have for this gear to help enhance your videos. So, my first suggestion is simple: earbuds. You can go ahead and use Bluetooth, but really I like them hardwired because it's better sound. You can put the mic to the back, but you're going to have a clearer voice if you keep it to the front. Head, pop them in your ears, and the mic is right here where you can quickly adjust the volume. Also, with having that mic's close to you, just like a lavalier. So it should cancel out a lot of the echoey noises that you might encounter when recording your videos. The second piece of equipment I suggest is this little clamp-on light from Picagen. There are many different lights out there, but the one reason I like to start with this one is it's small, it's compact. You can use it in your home, but you can take it anywhere with you in order to use it. It has a very simple little button right here that you click and you can set up the light. So you can see the change of the light. So there's number 2 and there's number 3. Now that's back to my lighting. Just take it, clip it onto your phone, make sure you know where your lenses are. So clip it onto the other side and pop it on. And there you go. You're ready for camera. You're all ready for the camera. Now, I do want to just preface one thing. I'm going to give you a simple little bonus tip right here on the light. You don't want to have, when you're adjusting the light, you don't want like a big spotlight. They call it a light bloom. You want to have a soft, natural light. Another little bonus is you can stand in front of an open window where you have some light source. But I do like this because you're always guaranteed to just go ahead and give yourself a little light pop to your face so that you show up on camera better. And isn't that what we want to do? Again, this is a clip light from Picagen. And later in the video, I'm going to give you some other tips of how you can use this and the other piece of equipment that I'm suggesting. Don't worry about knowing the name of this to go look for it on Amazon. I provided a link down below. 3 is the great old tripod. I love tripods, and you will hear me talk about tripods all the time. Why? Because they keep everything steady and it keeps your hands free. Use a tripod. You are going to hear me say this all the time. This is a great starter tripod. It's from Arkin. And once again, you can easily just find it in the links down below in the description. But I love a tripod, and this is why I love a tripod. Yes, you can hold the phone, but I'm going to tell you, your hand is going to get tired and you're going to get a little shaky. You might be nervous doing your first video. So it's just best to have a tripod. This you can sit, and if it's not high enough, You can stack books very easily underneath. So just go ahead and get that tripod so that you can get your phone up to face level. Look at that little dot at the top so that you're all ready when you hit that record button. So just to refresh, the 3 pieces of equipment is use what you have. Use your earbuds. Get the little Pena Light so that you just light up your face a little bit, and your tripod. So it's time for those bonus tips. Go ahead and use this when you're doing video calls or Zoom meetings or whatever meeting platform that you're on. It just looks better when your face is a little bit lit up. They can hear you well. Your hands are free to take notes during those calls. Another thing about this Pena Light, it clips anywhere. So say you're going to look for something, clip it to your clothes, turn it on, you can see. Take it for a walk if you're walking in the dark. It's a great little light. So it's more than just for the camera. You can use this for your personal use also. That's all I have for you today. If you like this content and you like seeing me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you're notified and look under notifications with the little bell. Now, please go into that notification and hit all so that you see every video I produce that comes out here on my YouTube channel. So if you like what I have to say, you can go ahead and subscribe to my emails. I do a weekly email also, and you can always catch me here every Wednesday with new video content. Until next time, everybody, bye.